The Marmot store on Bridge Street has everything you need to stay warm, dry, and comfortable out on the slopes. Joining us now, we have John Heisdorf. And John, you guys can do that through the help of Gore-Tex.
Gore-Tex. Yes, that's what we're here talking about today.
And we've got the fabric here. Well, that's not even a fabric, it's a membrane. 9 billion pores per square inch.
Gore-Tex is pretty amazing. And a lot of people do recognize the Gore-Tex name, which is really awesome. It really helps us sell our product. And basically what we're trying to sell people on is the breathability, the durability, and the waterproofness that they get from Gore-Tex.
Yeah, and we can see it in the product. We've got something for the ladies here. So look for it by name. You got the sign on it, but we don't ever see that membrane. It's laminated to the fabric, and it has different backings.
Yep. What people need to, kind of understand is that you're always going to have a shell fabric, and then behind the shell fabric is where you'll see your Gore-Tex. So it's kind of a hidden piece that you'll just kind of know that it's there. I mean, not only will you get it from like your hand tags, but the cool thing with Gore-Tex is that they put it always on your left sleeve, so that when you're out there in the mountain, and you'll be like, yep, my jacket has Gore-Tex, I'm going to stay dry, that's going to keep me on the hill longer, and that's going to keep me happier.
Okay, I'm going to stay out there. Now what's also neat is they have a new backing, a C-knit.
C-knit, yep, so C-knit is new this year for Gore-Tex. What's really cool about the C-knit fabric is that, well, not only does it have like a silky feel, but it's also 10% lighter and 15% more breathable.
So active jacket, and this is a year-round jacket. You could use this hiking in the summer, camping in the fall, spring skiing.
And that's why we do really well with shells in general, because it can be used year-round. Not only can you use it for a ski jacket, but like you said, you can use it for so many different things. And hiking in the summertime is also a great piece.
And then we also want to let you know that it will be used in your snow pants as well. So, and that's one thing that people don't think. They think, oh, I need it in my jacket, but I don't really need to worry about my legs, but you do.
Yeah, absolutely. And I honestly think that it's maybe even more important in the pants, because you're going to actually be putting a little bit more pressure on it. And where you're putting more pressure, that water's going to want to come through, where that Gore-Tex that's in your fabric is going to keep it out.
Okay, and then tell me about these pants, because there's some extra features. Durability, key
Durability
with
is key with this Freerider pant. Just a really durable fabric. Like I said, it's going to have Gore-Tex, and like they will have it also on the pant here, so that you know that you have got the good stuff. And just a really durable, overall durable fabric.
And I like it for when you're riding the chairlift, maybe you're in Blue Sky Basin, starts to snow, that snow starts to collect on your thighs, and you don't want to get wet and you have to go in.
No, absolutely.
Okay, and then the jacket that goes with it.
Yep, so this is the same jacket. This is going to be our men's Freerider jacket. Going to have your Gore-Tex laminate. Automatically that you know that you're going to be protected from the elements out there. This is just a great piece. A lot of their pieces will have waterproof zippers. We're going to have all the ski features that make you happy, keep you dry, powder skirts, lots of pockets, all that good stuff.
Okay. Now sometimes when we're thinking about warmth, breathability hasn't always gone hand in hand with that, but they've really gotten around that by having insulation with breathability. Insulation
is not for everyone, but you're going to want to have it with some of the pieces. You can either go with a ski shell and add your insulation, or you can get a jacket that has the insulation built into it. And this one just has it built in, which will keep you also warm. And what also is nice about this jacket here is that it has a removable hood. I do have some people that do like to have the feature of removing the hood. This one you can take right off of there, but you also will have Gore-Tex throughout the whole piece. So once it's all put together, you're going to be 100% dry.
Okay. And then we can't forget about the hands. Your hands are the second sweatiest part of your body, and Gore-Tex helps a lot with the gloves and keeping your hands warm.
Absolutely. When you put your hands, you don't want your hands to get cold. It's probably one of our biggest complaints is either the feet or the hands. So just keeping the hands dry is going to keep you so much warmer and so much more comfortable when you're up on the hill. And with Gore-Tex, that's the way to go.
Okay, all right, John, thanks so much for letting us know about Gore-Tex and Marmot. One of Gore-Tex's oldest partners is Marmot, and you can find Marmot located right on Bridge Street across from Vendettas.